Hey guys, welcome back with another video with Mrs. Today I am going to be doing a Christmas-ish makeup tutorial. So if you guys want to get this look, then continue watching. Alright, so first things first, we're going to get started with moisturizing our face and our lips. So I'm going to go ahead and use the Advanced Real Moisture. It's the liquid foundation. I'm going to do the True Blend, the CoverGirl. So for the next step, I am going to be applying a base for my eyelid. We're going to use the 35B Morphe palette. Let's use white, so we're just going to use just like a flat brush. Okay, so that's that. Next we're going to go into my Dominique Latte palette. And we are going to use the caramel color. So I'm going to take my Danielle brush. I'm using the eyeshadow blending brush. I'm going to use the caramel color in my Dominique Latte palette. And I'm just going to add it on the crease. I know this is weird, but we are going to try the Stila. And we are actually going to use it on our eyelid. So we're not going to take the brush itself because that's too big. So we are going to use the Wet n Wild brush. This flat little brush. So we're basically doing like a cut crease, but like the end, half end cut crease. We're gonna take the Define brush. I think it's the Eco Tools. Just gonna use that one. And then we're gonna use my 35B Morphe palette. And we're gonna use the bright red one. This one. So that's the color we're going to be using, and we're going to apply it over the red. Okay, so now we're going to take the crease shadow brush, and we're going to go back into that red.
Mom.
Say hi. Say hi. Okay, now I'm going to go into my 120 palette. It's the Coastal Scents. I'm going to go into this dark red here. And we're going to go back into the crease shadow. Okay, so now it's time for blending. We're going to use the Real Techniques brush, and it's this blending little thingy. And we're gonna cut the crease, the angle eyeliner brush, and it's the Danielle one. This is what I use just for my concealer and stuff. So, and this one is in Fair. I'm gonna dab it right in the center like that, and then look up. Okay, and that's where it's gonna basically cut. Half cut crease, and then just did a little line. Now I'm going to go back into that white. Oh, and this one is the Eco Tools as well, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to apply the white onto my cut crease. I'm going to go back into the red. I'm going to use that Revlon crease shadow again. And I'm going to go back into the Stila and then just start blending from the outer corner. I'm going to go back into that white and go over my brow bone. So that's what it should look like. Now I'm going to be taking my purple Real Techniques brush, blending brush. And let's start blending. And as you guys are kind of blending, make sure you have like a little rag in front of you so you're wiping off the excess from blending that particular spot. Okay, now for the eyeliner. I'm going to be using the Pacifica, the natural minerals. So it's just a black eyeliner. This is what I use. I've never really used pencil for like a top eyeliner, but whatever, I'm going to try it anyways. Now I'm going to go into my Magic Pro. It's a beauty glitter. So cute. This is what I use for all my sparkles. I'm going to use this green. To set the glitter, I'm going to use the Beauty Creations Glitter Primer. It's just this little guy. I'm just going to apply it at the end. And then we're going to go into that Define brush from the Eco Tools. Okay, this is what it should pretty much look like. Okay, now we're gonna add the Master Conceal. And we're gonna apply that under my eyes. Okay, now to dab the concealer. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild, little flat brush, and I'm gonna use the HD HD mattifying finish powder, and I'm going to apply that to the bottom of my eyes. Now I'm going to get my fluffy sparkly brush, and I'm going to use my Rimmel London Stay Matte, and it's just the transparent. I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm going to use my Dominique palette for my bronze, one of the colors, and I think I'm going to use the caramel one. Now I'm going to use the Precision Angled brush, just this white huge one, and I'm going to use the caramel color for the contour of my nose. Highlighting, I use the Maybelline the Master Chrome, and it's the Molten Gold, and I'm gonna take my beauty blender, just use the tip of it. So I'm gonna apply it on the upper of my cheekbone. Okay, and the bottom of my eyes, or underneath my eyes, I'm gonna use the dark green in my Morphe 35B palette, and I'll show you what the green looks like. Use this one. And in the center or the corner of my eyes, I'm gonna use concealer brush, red glitter. I'm gonna apply my mascara and do my lips off camera, and I'll be right back with you guys. In case you guys are wondering, I'm not a makeup artist. I just like doing makeup for fun, like any other girl would like to do it for fun. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If not, there's more videos coming your way. And if you guys want some more makeup tutorial videos, give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you on the next video.